How to fix TikTok not working issue in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and check your internet connection is work properly. So click on utilities folder. Now here click on Safari app. Now in Safari scroll down. You will check your internet connection is work properly. Yes, it's work properly. So after the procedure, go back and if you want to connect VPN, so disconnect VPN. So click on settings app. So turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on screen time. Now here scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. So turn off content and privacy restriction button. So after turn off content and privacy restriction button, so go back to home screen, refresh phone, you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and restart phone. So after restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to settings. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now I click on software update. Make sure your software update is not latest. So update your software latest iOS 26. After updating, go back to home screen. Refresh phone, you will check your problem is solved. So if it doesn't solve still, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all setting. Enter phone passcode and click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the procedure, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix TikTok not working in issue in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.